Are you planning to take the Master Plumber Licensure examination? Then, this is for you. Welcome to Master Plumber Review and Refresher. Answer the following set of questions carefully. Without further ado, let's start.
Question number 1. The minimum area of any vent installed in a CW and VS shall be blank the inside cross-sectional area of the drain pipe served. Letter A, at least 1/4. Letter B, at least 1/2. Letter C, at least 3/4. Letter D, at least 1/8. The answer is letter B, at least 1/2. Question number 2. Duration that air pressure shall be held during air test without introduction of additional air. Letter A, 15 minutes. Letter B, 30 minutes. Letter C, 60 minutes. Letter D, 5 minutes. The answer is letter A, 15 minutes. Question number 3. Height above the floor of the urinal to be lined with non-absorbent materials. Letter A, 1.5 meters. Letter B, 1.2 meters. Letter C, 4.9 meters. Letter D, 0.75 meter. The answer is letter B, 1.2 meters. Question number 4. Clear height of tunnels above the pipe laid in a trench. Letter A, 0.6 meter. Letter B, 0.3 meter. Letter C, 0.45 meter. Letter D, 1.2 meters. The answer is letter A, 0.6 meter. Question number 6. In blank, the Board of Examiners for Master Plumbers and the NAMPAP prepared a curriculum for plumbing engineering that was approved by the Department of Education and was first introduced at the Fayadi University. Letter A, 1954 to 1955. Letter B, 1966 to 1969. Letter C, 1996 to 1999. Letter D, 1967 to 1972. The answer is letter B, 1966 to 1969. Question number 6. NAMPAP also assisted in the passage of the law creating the NAWASA. What does NAWASA mean in the plumbing code? Letter A, National Waterworks and Sewerage Administration. Letter B, National Waterworks and Sewage Administration. Letter C, National Waterworks and Sewerage Authority. Letter D, National Waterworks and Sewage Authority. The answer is letter C, National Waterworks and Sewerage Authority. Question number 7. Plumbing shall be designed and adjusted to use the minimum quantity of water consistent with proper performance and cleaning. Letter A, Principle number 2. Letter B, Principle number 3. Letter C, Principle number 7. Letter D, Principle number 16. The answer is letter B, Principle number 3. Question number 8. A flange that closes the end of a pipe. There is no opening for the passage of liquid or gas. Letter A, blank flange. Letter B, blind flange. Letter C, pipe flange. Letter D, flanged joint. The answer is letter B, blind flange. Question number 9. The threads of drainage fittings shall be tapped to allow blank grade. Letter A, 0.5%. Letter B, 1%. Letter C, 2%. Letter D, 4%. The answer is letter C, 2%. Question number 10. Horizontal distance between the water line and the sewer or drain line. Letter A, 0.3 meter. Letter B, 0.6 meter. Letter C, 0.45 meter. Letter D, 0.15 meter. The answer is letter A, 0.3 meter. Question number 11. When disposal fields and/or seepage pits are installed in sloping ground, the minimum horizontal distance between any part of the leaching system and ground surface. Letter A, 1.8 meters. Letter B, 4.6 meters. Letter C, 6.1 meters. Letter D, 1.2 meters. The answer is letter B, 4.6 meters. Question number 12. Condensers constructed of metal shall not be less than blank, and all such metal condensers shall be protected from external corrosion by an approved bituminous coating. Letter A, gauge 16. Letter B, gauge 17. Letter C, gauge 26. Letter D, gauge 12. The answer is letter D, gauge 12. Question number 13. The blank shall make and keep a permanent record of the location of all pipings and venting carrying chemical waste. Letter A, master plumber. Letter B, administrative authority. Letter C, contractor. Letter D, owner. The answer is letter D, owner. Question number 14. A trap arm may change direction without the use of a cleanout when such change of direction does not exceed blank. Letter A, 30 degrees. Letter B, 45 degrees. Letter C, 60 degrees. Letter D, 90 degrees. The answer is letter D, 90 degrees. Question number 15. Rainwater piping located blank shall be of galvanized iron pipe, Schedule 30, cast iron soil pipe, SW, type DWV copper tube, Schedule 40 ABS, DWV Series 1000, PVC DWV, or other approved materials. Letter A, within a medium-height building basement area. Letter B, within the interior of a building, inside a vertical pipe chase or run within a vent shaft. Letter C, exterior side of a low-height building. Letter D, interior of a high-rise buildings. The answer is letter A, within a medium-height building basement area. Question number 16. Where vertical walls project above a roof so as to permit storm water to drain to adjacent roof area below, the total roof area considered may be computed as follows. For two adjacent walls, blank. Letter A, add 50% of area of the wall to the roof area. Letter B, add 35% of the total wall areas to the roof area. Letter C, add no additional area to the roof area. Letter D, add 50% of wall area above top of lower wall to the roof area. The answer is letter B, add 35% of the total wall areas to the roof area. Question number 17. Iron, steel, brass and copper pipes shall be IPS with the appropriate weight. What does IPS mean in the plumbing code? Letter A, internal pipe size. Letter B, iron pipe size. Letter C, interior pipe size. Letter D, iron plumbing size. The answer is letter B, iron pipe size. Question number 18. ASTM standards for the chlorinated polyvinyl chloride or CPVC plastic for hot and cold water distribution system. Letter A, ASTM D3311. Letter B, ASTM D2672. Letter C, ASTM D2846. Letter D, ASTM D2751. The answer is letter C, ASTM D2846. Question number 19. It is a device which discharges a predetermined quantity of water into fixtures for flushing purposes and is actuated by direct water pressure. Letter A, flush tank. Letter B, flush valve. Letter C, flushometer tank. Letter D, flushometer valve. The answer is letter D, flushometer valve. Question number 20. The area included within surrounding walls of a building, or portion thereof, exclusive of vent shafts and courts. Letter A, floor area. Letter B, surface area. Letter C, alley. Letter D, yard. The answer is letter A, floor area. Question number 21. Take the advantage of a salaried government position to compete unfairly with a practicing registered master plumber. Letter A, Code of Ethics number 1. Letter B, Code of Ethics number 3. Letter C, Code of Ethics number 4. Letter D, Code of Ethics number 7. The answer is letter C, Code of Ethics number 4. Question number 22. The basic principles of 1999 National Plumbing Code of the Philippines is an update of the tenets established in the Plumbing Law of the Philippines, approved on June 18, 1955, as amended on blank. Letter A, November 28, 1959. Letter B, November 28, 1967. Letter C, September 30, 1999. Letter D, January 28, 1959. The answer is letter A, November 28, 1959. Question number 23. Braze joints are obtained by joining of metal parts with alloys which melt at temperatures higher than blank, but lower than the melting temperature of the parts to be joined. Letter A, 149 degrees Celsius. Letter B, 427 degrees Celsius. Letter C, 756 degrees Celsius. Letter D, 449 degrees Celsius. The answer is letter D, 449 degrees Celsius. Question number 24. Equivalent of 1 fixture unit to gallons per minute. Letter A, 28.3 gallons per minute. Letter B, 1 gallon per minute. Letter C, 3 gallons per minute. Letter D, 7.48 gallons per minute. The answer is letter D, 7.48 gallons per minute. Question number 25. A cesspool without septic tanks may be installed and a public sewer will be available in blank. Letter A, less than 1 year. Letter B, less than 2 years. Letter C, less than 1 month. Letter D, less than 2 months. The answer is letter B, less than 2 years.
And that's all for this set. Now, put your score in the comment section. If you find this video interesting and informative, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Thank you and good luck, future master plumbers.